Hello, and thank you for renting my car on Turo. This is just a quick video on how to access the lockbox and get in the car. Super quick, super easy. First, the key is going to be in a lockbox, which I'm going to have hidden away. The current standard place I'm going to hide the lockbox is going to be behind the driver's side front wheel. You pull out your lockbox, flip the cover over, flip this around, make sure the silver piece up here is on top. And at the time of pickup, I will provide a 4-digit code. And all you gotta do is once I give you that 4-digit code, you just punch it in on this. Once the code is punched, which is only a 4-digit code, slide this down, open the box, and you're good to go. And then for the return process, it's pretty much the same. Lock it, throw the key in the box, slide it down. You will need to enter that 4-digit code again. So once you enter that 4-digit code, which will be the same one that I provide to you, after that code is entered, push it down. The box will automatically lock. Flip the cover over, put it back in the original hiding spot, and you are good to go. If you have any questions or concerns, please message me on the app or give me a call or text. Thank you and safe travels.